Imagine this, you're working on an important project and suddenly, your computer freezes. Panic sets in. What if you didn't have to leave your desk for help? Enter the West LA computer expert. With just a phone call, you're on your way to solving your PC woes without stepping outside. First step, setup. The expert guides you to install a tool like Quick Assist. It's simple, secure, and the first step to getting your PC back on track. With the tool installed, the connection is a breeze. End-to-end encryption ensures your data's safety as the expert steps into your digital world. Now, the real magic begins. The expert navigates your PC, running diagnostics as if they were sitting right next to you. It's like having a tech wizard in your computer. Malware? Configuration errors? Outdated software? The expert's diagnosis uncovers it all, ensuring no stone is left unturned in your PC's health check. Troubleshooting begins. You watch live as issues are tackled head-on, malware cleaned, settings tweaked, systems optimized. Your PC is getting a virtual makeover. Throughout the process, it's a team effort. You're not just a spectator, sometimes, you're the co-pilot, assisting with information and actions as guided by the expert. As the session wraps up, the expert does a final sweep. It's like quality control for your computer, ensuring everything runs smoothly post-tune-up. But it doesn't end there. You receive advice on keeping your PC in top shape, preventing future digital dilemmas. It's the care and support that keeps on giving. After the remote session ends, it's time for feedback. Your thoughts help refine this seamless service, ensuring it remains top-notch for all. West LA Computer Experts remote sessions redefine PC troubleshooting. Fast, secure, and efficient, it's IT support that comes to you, transforming tech trouble into peace of mind.